Imagine a company like Coca-Cola as a giant pie. When you buy a stock in that company, you're essentially buying a tiny slice. The better the company does, the more profits, and the more valuable your slice becomes. But if things go south, your slice could become worthless. That's where index funds like the S&P 500 come in. They're like a collection of many tiny slices from many different companies. So even if one company does poorly, the others help keep your investment afloat.
Oh my God, I'm feeling it.
The S&P 500 tracks the performance of 500 of the largest U.S. companies, including Apple, Google, Visa, Walmart, Disney, and Pepsi. The index serves as a benchmark for the entire stock market's health. Its collection of many little slices from such large and well-established companies makes it a popular choice for many investors. But legendary investor and mega billionaire Warren Buffett took a different approach. Buffett made his fortune through value investing. Instead of just buying into the S&P 500, he did his own research on companies he thought would have big growth potential, whether they are in the top 500 or not. Clearly, Buffett's vast fortune shows his approach was successful. But how does it compare to the market? In this lesson, we'll use logarithms to compare the value growth of the S&P 500 with Warren Buffett's investments. Then we'll answer the key question, did Buffett do better than the market? Let's skew it.